front grille.
So I have a job to do and let's begin. But first of all, I got to remove the front bumper and the headlights. And here we have four screws with a T25. So let's unbolt these. So these are the T25 under the bumper. And after I turn the wheel to the left, I will unscrew the last bolts that are keeping this bumper up. Before you remove the bumper, got to remove the headlight washers. I mean the line to the washer. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. And I just found something here. I think it's a treasure. Oh, it's an Audi spoon.
Wait a second, Rolls-Royce have an umbrella.
I'll keep this.
And now let's get to serious work. And now my wife's joined me. She always gives me a hand, even if she doesn't know how these tools work. She sanded with a 600 pad.
Dario, come over here. Grab this. And you see, you unscrew all these, these ones, and you have also this one, all around. Okay?
This one too?
Yes. And this one.
So I'm getting all the help I need. Dario is only 14, but he loves staying around cars.
Well, it seems to be okay until now.
Let's sand some more. And now, let's clean this. Now this is clean. So for this car and this color, to have a good color match, I need to apply a black filler. And that's all for today for this part. The filler is on the hood, trunk, spoiler, front bumper. Anyway, this is all for part 1. In the next part I will sand it, put 2 layers of paint, 2 layers of clear coat, and I think some polish. As a reminder, I'm not a professional painter. Anyway, so see you in the next video, final part, part 2. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below and maybe the like button, it really helps me a lot. See you, thank you for watching.